Working hard, 9 to 5, 2 jobs to survive. She's my supermodel.
What's up, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this sultry, sexy date night look. It's stepping out of my comfort zone, doing something dark. I usually keep it simple. Took a little selfie for Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. So I'm starting with the fresh face. If you've seen my last few videos, my skin is really going crazy. So I'm putting some primer on. I'm doing a matte primer because my skin is just getting super oily, and I'm just using my hand to apply it. Then I'm using this e.l.f. Foundation. I usually use my NARS, but I realized that that's my winter color, and it's a little too light for me right now because I have a tan. So I'm just putting this all over. The pump is broken, so I just kind of use the bottle. So then I'm just gonna, apply it in with this brush, and then I'm gonna go in with the sponge to kind of, blend it all in. My skin is going ham, y'all. Like, I'm doing some things right now to try to combat the acne that's coming on my skin, and I will definitely share, if I see some good results, I will definitely share what I'm doing with y'all. But I feel like I'm in high school all over again. I feel like I'm going through puberty again because my skin is just going ham. So never mind the bumps that you see. So I'm just taking this beauty blender and just kind of blending it all in and just trying to make sure that the foundation is even. Now I'm taking this black opal to kind of conceal. So I'm putting it under my eyes. Actually, it is concealer. Or is it foundation? I'm not sure. I'm no makeup expert, but I'm just showing you guys how I created this look. So I'm putting the, I put it on my forehead, my nose bridge, and then cheeks, chin, bridge of my lips. And then I'm using this darker shade to contour. This is a dark foundation, but it works just as good to kind of help contour the cheekbones, the forehead, the nose, and then the jawline. I'm really trying to practice my makeup skills, y'all. I've been doing a basic face all my life, something simple that's kind of easy to achieve. So now I'm trying to play around with different looks and just getting a little more edgy with my makeup. And it's gonna, it's gonna take some time. It's not perfect, but I think I did a pretty good job for this look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I am dropping a picture on my Instagram page once I post this video. So if you see this video and you're watching it right now, make sure you go over to my Instagram page and leave me a comment on the post to let me know that you watched this video. Now I'm just putting some of this banana powder under my eyes, kind of to, just to bake a little bit, set the foundation and the concealer in. And I don't really let the powder sit for a long time. I just let it sit for a minute or two before I brush it off and blend it in. Now I'm taking my Too Faced palette, my good old contour palette, to just kind of contour my contour with some contour powder. Doing that on my jawline, my cheekbones, nose, and forehead. Just to kind of prevent the oily look and to kind of set the contour. Real quick, thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel ever, especially the most recent subscribers. I'm really trying to be committed to this YouTube channel. I love the community that I'm building. I love sharing my DIY home and beauty tips with y'all. So thank you so much for subscribing. I'm really trying to get to my first 1,000 subscribers this year in 2021. So if you are watching this video and you just want to support me, Please hit the subscribe button so that I can build my subscriber base and try to reach my goal by the end of the year. So I did my eyebrows off camera. I plan to do a eyebrow tutorial very soon. And then I'm just putting on some mascara. This is the Falsies mascara. It's about time to replace it, but this is like my go-to mascara. Okay, so I'm gonna try a Smokey Eye. I always have hated a Smokey Eye, especially when I do it on myself because I'm not good with eyeshadow. I stay away from eyeshadow. When I used to model, I've had some makeup artists do bomb Smokey Eyes on me. And even though I don't really like it on myself, it looked good. Me personally, I'm not an eyeshadow person. I'm using my fingers to put this purple and black on my eyes. I'm going to blend it. I feel like the key to eyeshadow is just blending. So although I'm kind of being messy with how I'm applying it, don't judge me. I'm not a, pro makeup artist, celebrity makeup artist, whatever. I'm like kind of like just starting as far as like I could do a good simple face. But when it comes to like fancy eyeshadow, dramatic makeup, that's not me. So I'm just kind of like testing the waters with this. So I'm just kind of like applying it all over my eyelid, the purple. Then I'm going to go in on top with the black. I kind of overdid it a little bit, but I kind of cleaned it up towards the end. And I just feel like you just got to blend. And I have some eyeshadow brushes, but I have to like dig through my bags and get them. So I just use this, my blending brush that I blend my skin with, which is pretty bad because I know I needed it for, to finish my face off. So I kind of had to clean it a little bit to finish it off. But now I'm putting this highlighter on. It's like the Liquid Illuminator highlight. And I kind of overdid it too. Put a little too much because a little bit goes a long way. But that's when I'm going to, kind of use my my blending brush to just blend all of this highlight in. That's what I'm doing right now. Took a minute to, I got out the camera for a second because I had to clean it real quick. I had forgot, what was going on. I forgot that I needed it. So I had to clean that black off. But yeah, now I'm just kind of blending everything in, trying to get this face looking cohesive. Now I'm just going to go in. Initially I was going to do a dark purple lip, but once I did this dramatic eye, I was like, yeah, let me just do a neutral lip. So this is kind of like a little slight plum lip liner. I always like lip liner, especially if I'm doing a light lipstick because I'm not trying to look like I've been eating powdered donuts. So I'm putting the liner on and then I'm going to use this Wet n Wild like super nude lip. It's like a matte lip. It's looking real crazy right here. Semi-giving powdered donut, but once I rub my lips together, it looks, much better. Look at my skin is going ham. I promise my skin does not do this. Okay, so I definitely needed to put some dramatic lashes on. These are super, super wispy. I would never wear these with a simple eyeshadow. But this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you like this type of content. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.